Yeah, give them an update. Everybody, look, yeah, give them an update.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is gonna be about the new exhaust and the sound of the new exhaust, because in the other videos I didn't get to give you guys any video clip and like showing you guys when I'm driving the car. So this video is gonna be all about that. And make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe and share the video, guys. So let's get into the video. Guys, let me know what you think about the new exhaust sound. The road is empty now, guys. It's currently 4:21 and I'm just leaving work right now, so I decided to make a video for you guys, a POV drive. I'm gonna do a little pull. Bear in mind, guys, it's in standard right now, so it's like regular. It's not sport or none of that. And the light in the dash right there is just from my tires, because I don't got no sensors in them, so that's why. But so far, guys, from owning this car for like a month and a half, the car drives very good, sounds good, and I think this is the best sound in VR30 in Florida. No cap. Got a tunnel right here. Oh shit. tonight, guys, or this morning, I could say. But outside is cool right now, so the car drives very good. And right now I'm cruising. So sit back and enjoy the drive. Behind me trying to keep up. Feels so good, guys. I guarantee y'all get one of these, man. And my car is a 2019 Q50. It's a silver sport. So I'm gonna put the car in sport and I'm gonna do a 0 to 60 for you guys, and y'all gonna hear the exhaust sound too. So yeah, guys. Okay, guys, so there is the Q. Damn, even my third brake light fall out when I was going like probably 120, 130. So shit, my front splitter gone, guys. Sheesh. No front splitter, boys. Damn, it's gone. It's broken. Shit. So that's gonna be like my fourth front splitter that's broken. It's gonna be my fourth. But it's a good thing that I got one more at the house. So tomorrow I'm gonna slap on the other one. And yeah, guys. But that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, as I said. And here's the Q again. So I'm gonna put on the new front splitter tomorrow. So yeah, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.